Looks like we have a old friend. It looks like is it a Crayon 992 Turbo S? Although different example, but it looks kind of identical to the one Crayon I filmed earlier. That was brand new, and apparently it's no front license plate, which looks good, and it's not painted lower side skirts. That is an option you could get just recently, apparently. I need to another 911. I need to go over the street without being run over. It looks great without front license plate, but it was significantly more dirty than the other brand new one we saw. Yellow calipers, of course, it's Turbo S. And yeah, it just looks great. Not as sparkling as in the dealership, but still great. This is the best way to use your Porsche every day, of course. Sport exhaust and logo on this one. Quite dirty, but that's perfect. That's the way Porsche should be. It should be well used. And this is your typical everyday Porsche. It's like a great, perfect car to drive every day with. Like 4-wheel drive, double clutch, 4-seater. Stunning. I just want to jump in it and give it a go. Apparently I've heard you can have the Porsche adjustable suspension can be set GPS, so it knows where like your driveway are, so it races based on GPS, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's very usable. Great looking car. However, I might choose GT Silver if I would have the choice, but I actually would choose Gentian Blue even before this color. But anyway, not my problem right now. So I'll upload this in a few minutes. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this does not have the Porsche exclusive rear lights. The grey ones, it just have the black ones. Ah, that's the difference. Still pretty. Still very, very pretty, especially without a license plate. Gorgeous car. so I guess I know it from every detail now. Yes, please. So, I mean, it looks much better with the sun on. In the shadows it's a bit too grey, I think. But now I know why it's dirty. Have a look at this. I always recognize that too late. Like when it's like, why is Jack all over my car? And it's like, oh, okay. It's parked under a gross tree. That's why.